Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we're going to do a quick vehicle walk around tour of this 2014 Toyota Camry XLE that we have for sale. This comes in a black exterior. We've got a gray interior, nice wood grain accent trim, power seats with lumbar support, sunroof, steering wheel, we have a push button ignition, and mileage on this vehicle currently at 97,987. We've got our display here, currently showing radio and backup camera. Below our display we have our climate controls, and below that we have our shifter in more of that wood grain accent trim. Do have heated seats, both driver and passenger here. Alright, we'll go ahead and hop out and show you the rest here. So we have rear seats here. And then another quick peek back up front. Alright, we'll come around to the back. We've got our Toyota Camry XLE badging. And yep, forgot need to pop the trunk from in here. There we go. Alright, and our trunk. Can easily fold down those rear seats if you need a little extra storage as well. Alright, so if you're interested in getting additional information about this Toyota Camry, just reach out to us on our website. Happy to answer any questions you may have or set up a test drive. You can reach us at feldmannimports.com.